Hello everyone, welcome back to Zoba Reviews. So today I have another power bank. This is Amazon Basics wireless power bank and it's 10,000 milliamps. I has to purchase this to accommodate my Pixel phone that I'm currently recording, and I'm confused on how to show you the demo of wireless charging, but I will try my best to showcase you that. I did do an unbox of Kratos just now, and this is the comparison. These three are normal power banks, and I did in fact needed an wireless power bank. And my usage for power banks is pretty high, and the way the charging is through solar, that's the reason you see more power banks with me. Coming back to this, so this is the power bank. I did in fact see some of the cables inside. It looks like they have given multiple cables. With the power bank, you also get a warranty card and user manual. This is a 20-watt fast power bank, and the reason I purchased this power bank is the fact that it do a wireless charge plus it charges itself while you're charging the power bank. That's something I was really interested in, which might keep my phone charged plus my power bank charged at the same time. Just give me a minute. You get one Type C to C connector, and opening up the power bank. This is the first looks of it. This is pretty handy, and it's small. It's a very compact one, and this is the kind of power bank I would like to carry in my traveling time. The other ones are too huge for me to carry, and they have their own problems that when I carry. This is something I might opt to carry with me all the time, or either to office or to my home, or if I'm traveling further away, I might take this power bank as a primary, and those other one might be secondary from now on. So coming back to its looks, I really liked it. It's pretty much what I wanted, the size and the features. So let me test it out and showcase you what are my thoughts on this.